Okay, today we are going to make an eolic generation. For the eolic generation we need the next raw materials. American wire 26 caliber. We need masking tape for all the fixes. We need 6 magnets. We need 2 bottle plugs. We need an wood axis or iron axis. That these don't make any difference. This is only for get stronger or not. And microwave propeller glue. We start making holes on both sides of the pipe. Then, when the holes are opened, we get the pencil plugs and cut one side of each, the closed side. You have to do this for allowing the axis pass through the generation, like this. Or like this. Okay, the first step that you have to make is the coils. From the coils, making the coils, you have to get the wire, put it the pipe with a piece of masking tape, and you have to start turning around like this. You have to take care that to avoid tangles. These are the one tangle, because when you have this, you have imperfection like this one that is over here. Okay, you have to put one turn next to the previous and to like this. When you finish the first coil, you have to get it in place with masking tape and start the next one. The next one is going to be up the previous you make. You have to do this 3 times on the sides and 3 times on this side. This is because we have to get a lot of turns from the magnetic and electric field. Is easy to produce electricity. When you finish, you have to leave 10 centimeters to get the electricity on both sides. I am going to show now how. As you can see, we have more than 10 centimeters here and here. From these sides we are going to take electricity.
When we need electrical coils for your electrical eolic generator, use a magnetic cord. The magnetic cord generates the energy for the electrical coil. To the creation of the magnetic cord, we need 2 or more magnets and two plugs of soda. For the magnets, we know what is the pole of the magnetic field of this, the norte and sur, because put of opposite magnetic field. When we have a magnetic core for this part of eolic generator, put in the axis of the hélice of this generator, in between the electrical coils, in the axis of this element. and this magnetic core generate energy when the magnets rotate.
Well, the final step is the mounting of the magnets into the coil. We have to join these things, which makes the rotor, which should be spinning inside of the coil, this way. After mounting the magnets inside of the coil, in this part should be the propeller, which uses the energy of the wind to make the propeller spins. Whenever it spins inside of the coil, it produces an energy, electric energy. With the help of a voltmeter or amperemeter, we should be able to measure the amount of energy it is producing because the movement of the magnet inside the coil.
For this experiment is necessary 4 components. These components are resistor. The resistor is a passive component. That is of the carbon, and the function is limit the current and dissipate the power in the medium. And the next component is a capacitor. The capacitor is other element passive. This is a component formed the 2 plaquettes. The plaquettes of the metal, aluminium, iron, and between the plaquettes are the electric the electric component. The electric is a accumulate of energy equivalent to the potential energy. This is a charge with voltage, and this is called the voltage. The next component is a diode. The diode, your function is a rectifier energy. The energy not is destroyed. The energy is transformed. The one sharp to other form. The energy rectifier there is a AC source to CC source. The diode is formed with 2 components, germanium and silicium. The next component is with output component, line line emitter line diode is a LED. The LED is very less and small. This component emit line in the middle.
No. The method used in this experiment is full wave rectification. This consists a full wave rectifier converts the wool on the input waveform to one of constant polarity, positive and negative, and its output. Full wave rectification converts both polarities of the input waveform to direct current and yields a higher mean output voltage, 2 diodes and a center tapped transformer of 4 diodes in a bridge configuration, and any alternate current source are needed. Single semiconductor diodes, double diodes with common cathode or common anode, and 4 diode bridges are manufactured as single components.
The electrical generator. The electrical generator is a device that produces differential in the electrical potential. This in the output terminals. The goal of the generator is transfer mechanical energy to electrical energy. How? The electrical generator is a Faraday law. When altered magnetic field in through a wire, this produces electromotive force, and this produces the voltage in the output terminals.